Tired of juggling funds between your TD and RBC accounts? Let's streamline that process in this video. First, open your TD app and locate the Transfer Funds section. It's usually found on the main dashboard or within the menu. Tap on it. Now, you'll see several transfer options. Select Send Money or Send Inter-RBC Transfer. We'll use Inter-RBC Transfer for this example. Next, enter your RBC account email address as the recipient. Make sure it's the exact email linked to your RBC account. Enter the amount you want to transfer and add a security question. Review all the details carefully on the confirmation screen. Once you're sure everything is correct, hit Send. Now, head over to your RBC app. You should receive a notification about the Inter-RBC transfer. Click Accept. You'll be prompted to answer the security question you set in the TD app. Answer correctly, and the money will be deposited directly into your RBC account. Easy as that.